Semi-automatic piston filling machine. Firstly, open the package of the machine and examine the contact. In the carton, you will find the main body of the machine, SVFA. A filling nozzle, an inlet pipe, an outlet pipe, parts and accessories, and an operation manual. Secondly, get the SVFA out of packing and remove the protection mask. Thirdly, install the nozzle. Remove the mask on nozzle. There is an unit of nozzle and two supporting beans, one short and one long. Install the short and long beans. The operation of the two beans can be used to adjust the height of nozzle. Turn the machine to make the button forwards. You can see at the top left part there is a supporting seats. Insert the long bean into supporting seats. And lock the socket head screw. Then make the nozzle fixed on the short bean. Please make the connection on nozzle to inlet pipe towards the outside. Connect air pipe, black pipe to the upper connector, blue one to the lower connector. The first step, install outlet pipe. Get the clamps out from the bag of parts and accessories. Use the smaller clamp to fix the outlet pipe on the connector of nozzle. Lock the screw to make the outlet pipe fixed. Connect the other side of outlet pipe to the valve cover of the T-way connection and lock the screw to fix the pipe. Make sure the product cylinder and pipe are locked well and not move. The fifth step, install inlet pipe. Connect inlet pipe to the valve cover of the T-way connection. Lock the clamp screw to make the inlet pipe not move. The sixth step, install protection cover. Please make sure the protection cover is well installed before start to prevent hurting people in run operations. The seventh step, use product smooth the machine. This action is especially for the small volume machines, the maximum volume of which is below 60 ml. Before start, you can open the output valve of the T-way and put some product in it to smooth the machine. The eighth part, connect and dismount the air supply. Before connect to air supply, the figure on barometer is 0. Connect the air pipe from air supply to the connector on machine. When you need to dismount the air supply, firstly, put air switch to the middle part and get the left air out of machine. Then move the blue air connector backwards and put air pipe out. The water in the filter should be cleared periodically. When the air is on, turn the blue knob on the filter to the left to clear all water inside, and then close the blue knob. The ninth part, air pressure adjustment. When the air supply is on, put air pressure adjuster upwards, and then turn the air pressure to 5 kg. This pressure can make the machine work stably. The 10th part, volume adjustment. Put the outlet pipe in the product bucket. Open urgent stop to make the machine work until the pipes and product cylinder are full of product. When there is no air in the pipes, you can start to adjust volume. Close the air switch. Remove the protection cover. Loose the volume adjustment handle, and then put the protection cover back. Open the air switch. Turn the handle wheel to adjust the volume. When the adjustment part moves forwards, the working distance of cylinder will be shorter, and the filling volume will be smaller. Conversely, put the adjustment part backwards. The filling volume will be bigger. Now the figures on the counter is the filling volume you've set. Then close the air switch. Remove the protection cover. Lock the adjustment handle and put the protection cover back. Open the air switch to make the machine work. The 11th part, speed adjustment. There are two speed control valves on the air cylinder. When you turn it clockwise, the speed will be slower. Turn it anti-clockwise, the speed will be faster. The speed control valve on the left part of the cream controls the advancing speed of air cylinder, that is the filling speed. The speed control valve on the right part of the cream controls the backing speed of air cylinder, that is speed of drawing product. The 12th part, auto or manual working modes. Under the air connector, there is a button for shifting auto or manual working modes. When the machine is in auto mode, the machine will work at the speed you have set. When the machine in manual mode, you press the pedal once, the machine will fill once. The 13th part, urgent stop. Anytime when you press the urgent stop, the machine will stop immediately. The 14th part, dismount the check valve. Firstly, put a container under the T-way connection. Loosen the clamp connecting the T-way and the product cylinder. Then the liquid left in the product cylinder will flow into the container below. Please do not lose the white flat O-ring. Secondly, loosen the clamp connecting the inlet valve and the T-way. You will see the check valve inside the inlet valve. Loosen the clamp connecting the outlet valve and the T-way. You can see another check valve inside it. Now the T-way is separated from the other parts. Pull the check valves off and clean them separately. The 15 part. Dismount the product cylinder. Loosen the handles on the product cylinder. You can pull the product cylinder out of the machine and clean it. After cleaning, it must be put back from the round hole. Please do not hurt the O-ring on the piston head. When the product cylinder is in the right position, lock the two handles, please. The 16 part. Reposition of the T-way. Put the white O-ring on the horizontal hole. Use the clamp to lock the T-way with the product cylinder. The 17 part. Reposition of the check valves. Put the higher check valve, that is the outlet check valve, back into the valve cover. Attention! The spring must be outward. Put the O-ring on it. Use the clamp to connect it with the T-way. Put the short check valve, that is the inlet check valve, back into the valve cover. Attention, the spring must be inward. Put the O-ring on it. Use the clamp to connect it with the T-way. Then examine the clamps again. Make them as tight as possible to avoid the entering of air affecting the filling accuracy. Please check the part of product cylinder out of the fixing block. It's ideal to be 0.5 cm. If it's too long or short, please loosen the handles and adjust it.